Ooh, $864. Joyful, especially seeing the numbers. $467.50. Hi darlings, this is Emma and welcome back on my YouTube channel. I'm so excited about today's session on pocket option because I have a deep inside of me this feeling that this session is going to be wonderful, and as usually I'm going to be using a couple different tools to help me make the most informed decisions. I got these peonies in my garden. I have a garden, I don't know if I told you, but the smell is amazing, the vibe is super cool, and let's make some money and dive right into it as we should. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, let's get going. First of all, candles and one for the time frame. You know the drill. And I'm gonna pick my superheroes of the day. Supertrend, Zigzag. I'm gonna need Vortex and the Donchian Channel. Okay, and I'm gonna start with $95. I'm gonna leave some money for the insurance. And darlings, that is an interesting situation. You see, the Supertrend line is acting as a strong support, and I'm expecting a bounce upward, especially since the down move on high volume was stopped by the buyer. And that is a call option. Here we go. Only up and up from here. All right. Let's wait for the result. And while we're waiting, I just wanted to remind you that I have a super awesome Telegram channel. You will find the link below this video. And that's where I share my top tier strategies, unique signals, and powerful insights to get your trading skills to the whole other level. So if you're not there, honestly, I don't know what you're waiting for, because the results speak for themselves. $182. Okay, right there. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna keep the bid at the same amount, and a clear bearish trend is visible. So I'm going to enter a put option here. The Zigzag, the Supertrend, and Vortex all confirmed the downtrend. And when everything tells me we gotta go down, I say what? We are going down. So let's wait for that drop to happen and take the profit. I wish you could smell my room right now. The smell, the peonies are my favorite flowers of all time. And you know what? I never thought I would be a gardener at some point of my life. But I bought this cute little house. Well, not very little, I'll be honest. It's kind of too huge for me alone. Yes. $182.40. Here we go, right on track, and I'm loving it. Feels really good. Next asset pair, and let's inspect the market situation here. What is happening? What can we do about it? Well, first of all, I'm going to increase the bid to $120, and well, we just saw a pullback within a strong uptrend, a healthy correction to relieve overbought conditions. So we're gonna re-enter long, and all the indicators still support the bullish direction, including the oscillators. So it's pretty clear to me that it is time to go up and up again. Amazing. So yeah, I bought this cute, not so little house with a garden, and now I can grow my own peonies and many other flowers. entries, but these are still my favorite. I mean, I am just a girl, but also a trader, and that's how I can afford the house and many other things. $230.40. Bam! Amazing. I think we can work with that. I'm just gonna slightly increase the bid to $150. And guys, take a look. The Donchian Channel's midline is serving as a support level, and the price is holding at this point, which is a great opportunity to enter a call option. And Vortex, as well as other indicators, also point upwards. So when it's time to go up, what do we do, friends? Yes, we go up. That is right. Amazing. Guys, and in case you somehow missed that part, in my TG channel, the link to which you will find below, I share the best tips and tricks on how to take your trading journey to the next level. So I highly recommend you join me there, because this information is actually priceless, and I share everything I know so you can get the same result when you trade. $288. Isn't it amazing? All right, that was a rhetorical question. Of course, I know it is, and you know it too, and that's awesome. Just awesome. Okay, next asset pair. What do we want to pick? All right, $250 for the next bid, and we are seeing and following a clean upward trend along the zigzag. You see it? You see it. The Supertrend confirms the uptrend, and we are adjusting the channel upward. So we are entering a call option here after a slight pullback. And let's wait for that rise together. That's right. Alrighty. Love it. Such a beautiful session. I told you, I had a feeling it would be, but you know what? If you really know what you're doing, and if you really put in effort and time into it, you know how to deal with the market fluctuations and surprises. Sometimes it's very, very joyful, especially seeing the numbers. $467.50. Here we go, here we go. Beautiful. Which one do we want? Okay. 450. The bids are up. I'm dead serious. Okay, guys, do you see it? It's completely opposite situation here. A strong downward trend for the Aussie, and all the indicators and Vortex suggest further decline. So we are gonna go for a put option, and let's wait for that drop together. Drop in. Do I sound hypnotizing? I think I can sometimes, although my voice is naturally. Ooh, $864. Guys, I'm so excited. Literally, I mean, you saw it all. I started with less than $100 because I decided to leave some money for the insurance amount, and I got over $1,200. And that is just how amazing trading is, when you know what you're doing, when you know how to deal with difficult situations, and how to read the market and make the informed decisions. And I hope you found this video useful and you learned something new. And if you want even more really powerful knowledge, I'm waiting for you in my TG channel. You will find the link below this video. And I'm just so happy, you know, I can live this fulfilling and fun life, doing what I love the most and making the best out of my time and sharing it with you. So stay tuned for the next episode. I was super happy to see you here, and I will see you in my TD channel as well. All right? Mwah. Bye.